Welcome, curious minds, to a journey beneath the waves, into the world of creatures so extraordinary, it often feels like it's from another planet. We're talking about the octopus. These incredible animals are not only masters of disguise, but also possess a suite of biological features that challenge our understanding of what's possible in the animal kingdom. From their complex brains to their bizarre circulatory systems, octopuses truly are a marvel of evolution. Let's dive in and unravel the insane biology of the octopus. First things first, what exactly is an octopus? It's a type of mollusk, belonging to a group called cephalopods. The word cephalopod means head-foot, a perfect description for animals whose head and arms seem to connect directly. This group also includes squid, cuttlefish, and nautilus. Octopuses are invertebrates, meaning they have no backbone, which allows them incredible flexibility. They are found in all of the world's oceans, from tropical waters to polar regions. While octopuses might seem futuristic with their capabilities, they have a surprisingly ancient lineage. Their ancestors date back hundreds of millions of years, evolving incredible adaptations to survive and thrive in diverse marine environments. Over this vast stretch of time, they developed complex nervous systems, advanced sensory organs, and unique methods of locomotion and defense that set them apart from almost every other creature on Earth. Their evolutionary journey is a testament to nature's boundless creativity. Let's start with their basic body plan. The main part of an octopus's body is called the mantle. This muscular sac houses most of its vital organs, including the gills, digestive tract, and reproductive organs. Unlike shelled mollusks, the octopus mantle is soft and flexible, allowing it to squeeze into incredibly tight spaces, sometimes as small as a coin slot. This flexibility is key to both their evasion tactics and their ability to explore various nooks and crannies in their environment. Attached to the mantle is a tube-like structure called the siphon. This isn't just for breathing, it's also the octopus's primary method for rapid movement. By rapidly expelling water from its mantle through the siphon, the octopus can propel itself through the water using a process known as jet propulsion. It's like a natural jet ski. They can control the direction of the siphon to steer, allowing for quick escapes and sudden bursts of speed when hunting or fleeing danger. Of course, no discussion of an octopus is complete without its iconic 8 arms. Not tentacles, mind you, but arms. Each arm is incredibly strong and flexible, packed with muscles that allow for independent movement and precise control. These aren't just for moving, they're essential tools for sensing, grasping, and manipulating objects. Depending on the species, an octopus can have hundreds, even thousands, of suckers along its arms, each capable of acting independently. Those suckers aren't just for sticking, they're highly sophisticated sensory organs. Each sucker contains thousands of chemoreceptors, which allow the octopus to taste and smell what it touches. Imagine being able to taste with your fingertips. This means an octopus can explore its environment, identify prey, or even recognize friends and foes simply by touching them. This chemosensory ability gives them a unique way of interacting with their world, far beyond what our own senses allow. Now for one of the most famous facts about octopuses, they have 3 hearts. Yes, you heard that right. 2 branchial hearts pump blood through the gills, where it picks up oxygen. The third, larger systemic heart circulates oxygenated blood to the rest of the body. This unique setup ensures efficient oxygen delivery, vital for such active, intelligent creatures. And perhaps even stranger, their blood is blue. Our blood is red due to hemoglobin, but octopus blood contains hemocyanin. So, why blue blood? The blue color comes from a copper-based protein called hemocyanin, which carries oxygen in their bloodstream. In contrast, our blood uses an iron-based protein called hemoglobin, which gives it its red color. Hemocyanin is more efficient at transporting oxygen in cold, low-oxygen environments, which are common in the deep-sea habitats where many cephalopods live. It's a fantastic adaptation to their specific marine conditions, showcasing how different life can evolve to suit its environment. Prepare to have your mind blown by the octopus brain. While they do have a central brain, shaped like a donut around their esophagus, that's not where all the intelligence resides. In fact, 2/3 of an octopus's neurons are located in its arms. This means their arms can act and react semi-independently, even when detached from the body. It's like each arm has a mini-brain, contributing to their incredible dexterity and problem-solving abilities. Truly a distributed intelligence system. Because of this decentralized nervous system, an octopus arm can, to a certain extent, make decisions on its own. For example, an arm can recoil from a painful stimulus even if the central brain isn't fully aware of what happened yet. This allows for incredibly fast reflexes. Researchers have observed octopus arms continuing to explore and even grasp objects minutes after being severed. This unique neurology allows for complex, multitasking behavior, making them incredibly agile problem solvers in their environment. The intelligence of octopuses is legendary. They are known to solve complex puzzles, navigate mazes, and even open jars to get food. They learn quickly, both through observation and by trial and error. Some have even been observed using tools, a rare trait in the animal kingdom. This level of cognitive ability is astonishing for an invertebrate and continues to fascinate scientists, pushing the boundaries of what we thought was possible for an animal without a complex social structure. One of the most remarkable displays of octopus intelligence is their documented tool use. Some species, like the veined octopus, have been observed collecting coconut halves and using them as portable shelters. This foresight and ability to manipulate their environment for protection is incredibly advanced. Beyond tools, their capacity for mimicry, which we'll discuss more, also speaks to their cognitive prowess, requiring complex recognition and adaptation to blend in or impersonate other creatures. Octopuses possess remarkably sophisticated eyes, often compared to our own, despite evolving completely independently. Their eyes have a lens, an iris, and a retina, allowing them to form sharp, detailed images. Unlike humans, their pupils can take on various shapes, horizontal, vertical, or W-shaped, which help them to focus light and potentially blend into their surroundings. These keen eyes are crucial for hunting, spotting predators, and navigating their intricate underwater world. Here's another twist: despite their complex eyes, octopuses are believed to be monochromatic, meaning they see only in shades of gray. This seems counterintuitive for an animal famous for its vibrant color changes, right? The current theory suggests they use a unique strategy called chromatic aberration. By distorting the shape of their pupils, they can effectively split light into different colors, allowing them to detect variations in color even without color-sensitive cells. It's a clever workaround. Perhaps the most iconic ability of the octopus is its unparalleled mastery of camouflage. They can change the color, pattern, and even texture of their skin almost instantaneously to blend seamlessly with their surroundings. This isn't just a party trick, it's a vital survival mechanism for hunting unsuspecting prey and avoiding hungry predators. Their skin is covered in specialized cells that allow for this incredible transformation, making them virtually invisible in plain sight. The magic behind their color changes lies in specialized cells called chromatophores. These are tiny sacs of pigment red, yellow, brown, or black surrounded by muscle fibers. When these muscles contract, they stretch the pigment sac open, revealing its color. When the muscles relax, the sac shrinks, hiding the color. Thousands of these cells can be independently controlled by the octopus's nervous system, allowing for incredibly intricate and dynamic patterns to form across their skin. But it's not just chromatophores. Octopuses also have two other types of reflective cells that add to their visual magic. Iridophores are cells that reflect iridescent light, producing metallic blues, greens, silvers, and golds. Leucophores are white cells that reflect ambient light, helping the octopus to match the brightness of its surroundings. Together, these three types of cells, chromatophores, iridophores, and leucophores, create a breathtaking palette and texture-shifting capability that is unmatched in the animal kingdom. And here's where it gets even crazier: octopuses can also change the texture of their skin. They do this using small, muscle-controlled bumps called papillae. These papillae can be raised or flattened almost instantly, allowing the octopus to mimic the rough texture of rocks, the smoothness of sand, or even the spiky appearance of seaweed. This textural camouflage, combined with color and pattern changes, makes them truly disappear into their environment, creating a 3D illusion that fools even keen-eyed predators. So, how does this all happen? It's an incredibly fast process driven by their sophisticated nervous system. When an octopus perceives a change in its environment through its eyes, its brain sends rapid signals to thousands of chromatophores, iridophores, leucophores, and papillae. These cells then expand, contract, or change shape in a coordinated fashion, transforming the octopus's appearance in mere fractions of a second. It's a living canvas controlled by an intelligent artist. Beyond camouflage, octopuses have other clever defense mechanisms. One of the most famous is their ability to squirt a cloud of dark ink. This ink, made primarily of melanin, acts as a smokescreen, disorienting predators and allowing the octopus to make a quick escape. Some research even suggests that the ink might contain compounds that irritate the predator's eyes and sense of smell, making the escape even more effective. It's a classic disappearing act. In extreme situations, an octopus has another drastic defense mechanism, autotomy. This is the ability to voluntarily detach an arm to escape a predator. Much like some lizards can shed their tails, an octopus can sacrifice an arm. The detached arm continues to writhe and twitch, distracting the predator while the octopus makes its getaway. Don't worry, the octopus can regenerate the lost arm over time, a testament to its incredible healing capabilities. It's a truly remarkable form of self-preservation. Some octopus species take camouflage a step further with mimicry. The mimic octopus, for example, can not only change its color and texture but also its body shape and behavior to impersonate other venomous or dangerous animals, such as lionfish, sea snakes, or flatfish. This incredible act of impersonation deters predators who would otherwise be happy to eat an octopus. It requires precise control and understanding of its environment and potential threats. Octopuses are skilled predators, primarily carnivorous, feasting on a variety of marine animals. Their diet includes crabs, lobsters, shrimp, small fish, and even other mollusks. They typically hunt by ambushing their prey, using their camouflage to blend in, then quickly pouncing with their powerful arms and suckers to secure the meal. Their intelligence plays a huge role in hunting, as they often figure out how to get into shells or catch evasive prey. To process their meals, octopuses possess a surprisingly tough and sharp beak, located at the center of their arms. This beak, made of chitin, the same material found in insect exoskeletons, is strong enough to crack open the shells of crabs and clams. It's their primary tool for dissecting prey. Imagine having a bird-like beak inside your mouth. This powerful beak is a testament to their predatory efficiency, allowing them to access food sources many other animals cannot. Some species of octopus take their hunting strategy a step further by employing venom. The blue-ringed octopus, for example, is famous for its potent venom, which can paralyze prey and even be lethal to humans. This venom is delivered through a bite from their beak. While most octopuses are not dangerous to humans, this evolutionary adaptation highlights the incredible diversity of their hunting strategies and the potent biochemical tools they've developed to survive and thrive as predators. The life cycle of an octopus is intense and often ends after a single reproductive event. Most octopuses are semelparous, meaning they reproduce only once in their lifetime and then die shortly after. This Big Bang reproduction is common in nature but profoundly shapes the octopus's life history. The drive to reproduce is so strong that the parent octopuses dedicate all their remaining energy to ensuring the survival of their offspring, even at the cost of their own lives. Reproduction in octopuses involves a truly unique adaptation. Male octopuses have a specialized arm called the hectocotylus. This arm is modified to transfer packets of sperm, called spermatophores, into the female's mantle cavity. In some species, the male actually detaches this arm and leaves it with the female. It's an intricate and fascinating process that highlights the unique evolutionary pathways these creatures have taken, making sure their genetic material reaches its destination effectively. After mating, the female octopus dedicates herself entirely to her eggs. She will lay thousands of tiny eggs, often in long strings, and carefully attach them to the roof of her den. For weeks or even months, she will guard them fiercely, cleaning them and aerating them with jets of water from her siphon. During this period, she stops eating and becomes increasingly frail. By the time her eggs hatch, she is utterly exhausted and typically dies shortly after, having completed her life's ultimate mission. Given their semmelporous nature and demanding reproductive cycle, octopuses generally have surprisingly short lifespans. Many species live only for 1 to 2 years, with some smaller species living just a few months. Even the giant Pacific octopus, the largest species, typically lives only 3 to 5 years. Their lives are short but incredibly intense, packed with rapid growth, complex behaviors, and the ultimate sacrifice for the next generation. It's a fast-paced existence in the ocean depths. Why do these intelligent, complex creatures have such brief lives? The live fast, die young strategy is an evolutionary trade-off. By pouring all their energy into rapid growth and a single, massive reproductive effort, they maximize their chances of passing on their genes. There's less investment in long-term survival and more into producing as many offspring as possible. It's a strategy that has proven highly successful for octopuses over millions of years, ensuring their continued presence in our oceans. Comparing octopus intelligence to human intelligence is tricky. While we excel in abstract thought, language, and social structures, octopuses demonstrate remarkable practical problem-solving, adaptability, and mimicry. Their distributed nervous system is vastly different from our centralized brain, suggesting an alternative path to cognitive complexity. It reminds us that intelligence can manifest in many forms across the tree of life, shaped by specific environmental pressures and evolutionary histories. The octopus's insane biology is a testament to the power of adaptation. Every one of its unique features, from its 3 hearts and blue blood to its instant camouflage and problem-solving arms, is a finely tuned mechanism for survival in a challenging underwater world. They are not just surviving, they are thriving in diverse niches, constantly surprising us with new discoveries about their capabilities. They remind us that life finds a way to evolve in the most extraordinary forms. Despite everything we've learned, there's still so much more to discover about the octopus. Scientists are continuously researching their complex genetics, their neurobiology, and their behaviors, unraveling more secrets about these enigmatic creatures. Each new study reveals another layer of their astounding adaptations, pushing the boundaries of our understanding of animal life and intelligence. The more we look, the more we find that the octopus truly is an endless source of wonder. So there you have it, the insane biology of the octopus. From their 3 hearts and blue blood, their decentralized brain, to their breathtaking camouflage and a life cycle of intense dedication, these creatures truly stand out. They are living proof that the path of evolution can lead to incredibly diverse and complex forms of life. The next time you see an octopus, remember the alien intelligence and biological marvel hiding beneath the waves. Thank you for joining me on this deep dive into the extraordinary world of octopuses. Stay curious.